Hi everyone, Janet Boyer here, and today I am unbagging Softflex Company's Moroccan Bazaar Kit. And I'm so excited because the colorways just look so pretty. It's always a surprise every month when Softflex Company releases their kits. You get an idea of what the bead strand is. You purchase this separately. The kit comes in a bag, and so you kind of get a hint from what the main bead strand is that goes with it, and also their blog post image, but it's always a complete surprise. You never know what metal tones, what color, the type of beads, and so it's always like a big fun surprise. So for the next month, it is, like I said, Moroccan Bazaar, and it lists everything that comes in it, and it launched July 26th. And so let's take a look at it. Now, I also got some of these and some ear wires, but I love Softflex Company's ball ear wires, but I put them in my container. And I got some Tiara cast toggles for necklaces. I guess you could use them for bracelets too. Got copper. I forget what this is called, the dark black. I don't think it's gunmetal because it's black. It's not like grayish black. It's more of a matte in gold. And without further ado, we'll open this, but let me show you the bead strand. Jesse James Beads makes exclusive bead strands every month to accompany this kit, whatever the kit is. And you can see it says Moroccan Bazaar. Wow, look at those cool square ceramic beads. Oh, I love these. Look at that colorways, brown and blue. So nice. All right, let me go ahead and get one of my bead catchers so I don't make a terrible mess. And we will unbag this together. It's always securely, beautifully packaged. I always save the cord that's wrapped in it because you can use that if you're a junk journaler or for tying packages or tags. You've got this, and they always have a nice sticker. And I also save this for packaging or, again, for junk journaling or what have you, ATCs. If you're crafty, you can reuse almost everything, right, guys? Oh, look at this. Oh, and there's a metallic Softflex in there, I see. That's another cool thing about the Softflex kits. They always have not only enough to make several pieces of jewelry in the kits, but it also comes with one of the Softflex cords and like beading wire. Well, it's not wire. It's not like wire wrapping wire. It's like stringing wire, I guess you might want to call it. And they don't usually have metal. Oh my God. Holy cow, folks. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this looks like the prettiest kit I've seen in a long time. Not that they don't do pretty kits any other time, but this is like super up my alley. Okay, so again, this is a metallic and it's a copper color Softflex. They have got the best beading wire in the business, if you ask me. All different types of colors, metallics, gorgeous for stringing bracelets and necklaces. And like I said, it comes in every kit. Oh, copper color findings. Jesse James Beads also makes a bead mix, a design elements that goes with the monthly kit as well. Moroccan Bazaar, as you can see, they make it for Softflex Company. So if you want to check out your own kit, to go get your own kits, go to softflexcompany.com. Sometimes they have more than one kit going. Let's dump this out and see. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this reminds me of fall. I'm so ready for fall. Oh, the weather's been like 85, 90 degrees Fahrenheit here, and I cannot stand it. Cannot stand it. Look at this. Look at how rich and yummy these colors are. We got pinks and some rusts, dark grays, some wood. Oh, wow. Oh, I love these mustard color fabric tassels. Oh, and we even have like brown tassels, metallic looking beads, leaves. There's two of them. combination of gold tone and copper tone findings, it looks like. Oh, wow. This is a pretty pendant. Look at that. That could probably hang either way, actually. You could even put jump rings and beads. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? And of course, we got some blues. Some blues and brown combo. Oh, I love these. Blue and brown together are so gorgeous, I think. And then we have some darker greens. So very exotic and lovely. And then bead strands. And like I said, also you get this and it lists everything that comes in your kit. So it tells you, everything that's in here. Gorgeous, right? Oh, look at this. Like a wine purple. Ooh, look at that. Capri blue faceted drops. Nice. Check glass copper Picasso arabesque beads. Oh, look at that, guys. So beautiful. And rainbow melon beads, check glass. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love these colors. It remind me of fall. These are my favorite colors to design with. Like browns and rusts and grays and sage greens and yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, and another thing that the Softflix kit comes with every month is you also get crimp tubes. I have a crimp tube. A crimp tubes, plural. Oh, sorry. I need more coffee. They have the best crimp tubes, and oh, I can't believe I said tubes again. Tubes in the business. So go to softflexcompany.com to look for them. But make sure you get also their magic crimper. It's got purple handles. I have never come across anything that makes crimps on a necklace or bracelet, so does it so well. And you always get 4 ear wires. These are the ear wires I was telling you about, but you can get them separately on the Softflix site. So you never know the colorways, too, and that's always cool. It's always different. And oh wow, look at this. This is I think it's Tierra Cast antique. It says Tierra Cast antique copper plated Mendy charm. So I think this is the Mendy charm, which is beautiful. And you know what? I'm not sure how to use these or what this is. Isn't that something? I've been making jewelry for how many years? Oh, magnetic. Oh, so would this be a magnetic? Yeah. 2-loop stitch in temple magnetic clasp. Okay. All right. Not sure what that is. I don't do stitching or real fancy stuff with my jewelry in terms of that intricate stuff because I have chronic tendonitis and hand pain. So I don't have that in my repertoire. I'm trying to think how I could use this. I mean, I guess you could still use it as a clasp. I'm not sure. I'll ask the folks at the Very Important Beater VIB Softflix group. Maybe they'll be able to help me, or maybe I'll Google it because I'm not really sure how to use that. And that's what's cool about this. It's for skill building too. So even if you're a seasoned beater, you're always thrown for a loop with something, it seems, and it's really neat because it helps you expand, your repertoire, your skills. You don't have to use all the beads if you don't want to, but when they're all yummy like this, man, why not, right? Well, I hope you enjoyed this unbagging of Softflix Company's Moroccan Bazaar Kit, and I will see you next time. Happy creating. Bye-bye for now.